In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate mean percentage score in Excel. To get started, open the worksheet and go to the tab labeled Mean Percentage Score at the bottom of the screen. This sheet already includes a sample table, which makes it easier to see where each value should go and how the calculation is structured. If you're following along with your own file, take a moment to locate column G because that's where we'll be entering the data and formulas for this example. First, look for the field for the total number of students. In this example, enter 10. This value is important because it tells Excel how many student scores are being included in the calculation. Always make sure this matches the actual number of students in your dataset. Otherwise, your final result will be inaccurate. Next, move to the total score field. This is where we add together the scores of all students. To do that, type sum, followed by an opening parenthesis, and then select the score column, which is column C. This formula allows Excel to automatically total all the values in that score column. Using a sum formula is much faster and more reliable than adding each score manually, especially when you're working with larger sets of data. After that, find the number of items field and type 50. This represents the total number of possible items, questions, or points in the assessment. This value is used later to convert the average score into a percentage, so it should reflect the full score possible on the test or activity. Now we can calculate the mean score. To do that, divide the total score by the total number of students. Your formula should be equal sign G4 divided by G2, so it will appear as G2. This gives you the average score per student. In other words, it shows the typical score achieved by the group before converting it into a percentage. Once the mean score is calculated, the final step is to get the mean percentage score. For this, divide the mean score by the number of items, then multiply by 100. Your formula should look like G10, G6, 100. This converts the mean score into a percentage, which is often easier to interpret and report. As a quick tip, after entering each formula, press enter and double check that the result looks reasonable. If something seems off, verify that the reference cells and values were entered correctly. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.